gosh. Okay, guys, that was an awkward starting. We're here again. We haven't been here. I mean, we have, but we have barely been here besides that one time. Yeah, that was a creepy smell. Yeah, that's really creepy. But I'm going to show you how I made this. I actually made this. I don't know if you can see it, but like, look. It's like what is it called? Like the stuff that they put into it, and it makes it look like shiny or whatever. I don't remember what it's called, but I'm gonna show you how I did that. Get out of here, you palette. Just put in the slime. So basically how I did it is I took this old, crusty, dusty, musty, slime, and it was clear, so I thought, what if I mix eyeshadow in it? I thought that it would probably do that, which it did. And this is what it made, and I mixed just some pink eyeshadow. You can use any color. It will probably do that color in whatever that way is. I'm just gonna take a brush and splat it onto the slime. Half of it literally went on the table, but I can just roll it up because this slime can roll stuff off counters because it isn't sticky. Although when you hold it, it is sticky. Wait, what? Wait, why would it? Okay, I'm getting confused because I said it isn't sticky. If it wasn't sticky, then it wouldn't get the stuff up. Well, it's kind of sticky, kind of not. You know what I mean. It's not like sticky to like where it would stick to the table. This is a very, very strong paint pen. I'm going to be adding it. Oh my gosh. That layers on top of this. I'm just doing random stuff with this slime. Okay. It didn't do anything. Trying to get it off my skin. Okay. If I like... How is this even going on top of it without like... Wow. No. Okay, I'm gonna like... Ew, no, now it's brown. I mean, I like brown, but right now I kind of don't want a grayish brown slime. Oh, it's kind of like a metal color now. It's like shiny metal and poop. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make it green. I mean, because I've already committed that. But this green is pretty. All greens are pretty. I think my least favorite color is, no color. Yes, that's my least favorite color, no color. I really don't dislike any color. I mean, if I had to choose a color I don't like not like that I don't like, but that I just favorite the others over it, but I still like it. Just my least favorite, I guess, is a yellowish, greenish, brownish color. This isn't a yellowish, greenish, brownish color, unless you zoom in. I don't know. I don't really know what color this is, though. It's just a weird color. I'm gonna chop some of this off to put in here. Okay. That did not go as planned, but now it will. Let's see what chapstick does to a clear slime with eyeshadow and a highlighter. Well, actually, it's a paint pen. Does to it. Okay, it's kind of melting it, and it smells disgusting. That's what it's doing so far. Okay. Guys, help me. It's all sticky. I'm going to get back with you when I get activator. Guys, the activator went missing, but it's fine because my hands are messy, but it's fine because do I still have makeup from cosplaying as you're Erica? I think so. If that's even how you pronounce the name, probably isn't. I'm bad at pronouncing their names, but I know all of their names pretty much. Made the texture feel really cool, although it's like it needs something like to activate it. Ooh, I know. Glitter is the perfect you know, this is why I named the video adding random stuff into a clear slime, because it's actually true. So this is before I name it, so that's what I think I'm gonna name it. Adding random stuff into a clear slime. Because yes. I'm not gonna name it because yes. Or am I? I don't know yet. Is this even satisfying at all? I kind of find it satisfying, not gonna lie. What if I just dipped it in? Oh. Okay, it's in there somewhere. Oh. I'm getting it out. Oh. It's traumatizing on how glittery it got. It's so satisfying. It needs more. More, I tell you. Most people are curious why I'm even doing this. Well, I'm doing it for fun. And for entertainment. And for entertainment for both of us. Whoever's watching this and also me. Oh my gosh. And also for a new slime. Kinda new. This is so cool. It's falling apart because there's so many in it. I will show you how it stretches in the end, but oh my gosh. It's so weird feeling. It feels like straight up glitter, no kidding. And it feels kind of hollow, and it kind of doesn't even feel like it's a slime. It's so weird. That was a lot. Guys, I think we need more clear slime, because how is it going to survive all of this? It's very chaotic. What? It's surviving. It kind of is making it sticky. It's like cloud slime. I think I'm going to add some more clear because it's not ending well very much, and I don't want to waste all my glitter, so I'm going to add some more clear. Anyways, this clear one's old, so, I mean, I don't really mind. I added some. It's so satisfying to just crunch it into the newest. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. I kind of want to leave it like this, but we never, ever, ever stop until it's max. Wait, what if I just call this adding too much stuff into... No, I'm not gonna. Casually figures out what she's gonna name the video while recording the video. Yeah. If you didn't know, you might think I'm acting this if you don't know if you name the video after you take the video, or if you name the video before you take the video, and you actually make the video and then you name the video. So that's why I'm like deciding on what I should name this. Just a moment to appreciate the crunching sounds. starting to kind of hurt. I think I need more. The thing's starting to happen. Almost this whole thing is just glitter, like, I'm not gonna lie when I say that. I'm gonna make an ASMR about this. It's already been 10 minutes. This feels like it's been like 6 minutes or something. No, now it's been 11. New crystal slime, congratulations.